So you want followers on Instagram, but you're removing followers on Instagram. You are killing your own growth. Hello, my name is Meg. Up until recently, I kept removing fake, ghost, inactive, and bot followers on Instagram. I stopped, and here's why you should stop too. A lot of popular Instagram strategists on Instagram and YouTube say that you should remove these unworthy followers, and I actually had the same mindset as them. I thought that if I don't get rid of them, they will harm my engagement rate, because I was so obsessed with my engagement rate. So first of all, this engagement rate. If you want to become an influencer, if you want to work with brands, then yes, you might be focused on engagement rate, but your followers don't really care. I mean, if they are influencers and if they are spying on you, maybe they will be like, Meg has 2,000 followers, but she only got 10 comments on her last post. But the majority of your followers don't care. They are following you for your content, and all they see is your content, not your engagement rate. You are probably the only person obsessing and getting caught up with the numbers. So I kept removing these unworthy followers, and then I got a DM request. It said, "Hi Meg, I swear I was following you. Must be a glitch on Instagram or something. I followed you again. Anyway, I found you on the explore page and I really love the quote you posted the other day. Thank you for sharing it." It was this quote, by the way. I looked at their account, it was private, the username was a name with a lot of underscores and numbers, they had no profile picture, no profile, they had around 50 followers, they were following around 800 people, and if I just saw the notification of this person following me, I would have removed them. They had every factor that I would have considered as an unworthy follower. This person didn't like the quote post they mentioned in the DM, and they didn't comment on it. I didn't recognize this person because they have never engaged with me. And I most likely removed them from my follower list, but they were kind enough to follow me again. And the DM basically told me that they were a real person. Yeah, these people can be real. You see, not everyone uses Instagram like you or myself. Not everyone is trying to grow a following on Instagram or want to be an influencer. Some people use it casually to look at other people's posts, but they don't intend to post themselves or interact. They might not like the post or comment on it, but they could stop scrolling and zoom in, and that helps you a lot on Instagram. Sometimes you don't realize they've shared your content because they don't mention you. Them saving your content helps you too. Just because you can't see it, it doesn't mean that they're not giving you support. Some people are silent fans. Some people don't want to engage publicly, so they might send you a DM, and that's interaction as well, a good one. Some people might even email you. You never know what that person on the other side is like. You can't tell that they're not real, so stop thinking they're not real. Obviously, if they are spamming or harassing you, then go ahead and block them or delete them, but if they are just lurking, let them. You never know what they might bring you. Another recent thing that happened is an account that looked fake actually said that they came from my YouTube channel, and they wanted to tell me privately that they have another main account where they were able to leave an engagement group because they watched my video, and that the account they were messaging me from was their personal account. Some people have a private account, some people have more than one account, and they want to keep things just between close family and friends. Inactive followers wise, some people take a break from Instagram so they don't post or interact for a while. Let them take a break. Bot followers wise, Instagram will get rid of them for you, so let Instagram do the work. And another thing also happened, and one person told me that they used my affiliate link to purchase some makeup. This all came at the same timing, and it was a wake-up call. Who knows how many people I deleted? Who knows how many opportunities I basically crushed? Some of them could have been influenced by me and used my affiliate links or codes, and I could have earned a commission. Some of them could have been a potential client for a paid audit. I was the one who didn't let that happen. I was the one so obsessed with numbers that I didn't realize that these people can be real. Also, removing followers take time. However way you do it, you are wasting time. And I see a lot of people searching for how to remove ghost followers and somehow come across my channel and videos. You're wasting time. You should be thinking of building an audience, not getting rid of them. You should be making great, valuable content, posting it and engaging in that time, because that's how you actually grow on Instagram. Create, share, and engage, and repeat. And if you're still stuck and don't have 1,000 followers, take a look at these videos. Happy growing.